am that you do. Say I don't even know what I am that you do. But you know this, that you you don't have something soft to punch, put something soft on your hands and punch something hard. That's a little tidbit. Ba 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 ba. See, I felt something interesting today. When I was walking. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Wow, dude. Wow. Serious fucking heartburn right now. I got some serious heartburn right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Was. 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 You know what I mean? Comes from the side, you know what I mean? Comes from the side. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Who's? 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 Who's?
getting hot. Now I'm getting hot. I hope that got caught on camera. She, my what? She. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Yep. Not enough. It's not enough. It's, oh shit. It's not enough. Working on my emo voice. It's not enough. It's not enough. Us. 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 Easy there. Us. It's dicey shit, man. I'm working with old school technology here.
And keep the weight. Keep it tight. Keep the weights tight.
Gotta keep it tight. Oh, Lord. Ooze. Ooze. Ah. Ooze. 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 Nah. Yo! Is that on camera? Alright, that's fine. Clearly, I have to devise a new strategy. Maybe some kettlebells. Yeah, cause I can feel if this one wants to come out too. I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, well, 10 pounds are safe. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? The beauty of swinging weights is that, you know, you use momentum. You learn to use momentum. Momentum. Ooze. 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 Run it back now. Ooze. 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 Oh man, but the lefts are doo-doo. Ooh, like if I jump. It's not enough. Another malfunction. Look at this. Man, equipment is important. This just came right off. Right there. Equipment is important. You know what I mean? Oh man, this video is dark as heck. Equipment is important, you know what I mean? Oh man. Do as I say, not as I do. I got some terrible heartburn right now. Terrible. Terrible! Anyway, that was the discovery today. Like, you know, rather than like, we run like this, like, you know, like you can make a fire under them armpits. It's more like, ooze, 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 ooze. Yes, the lack of coordination in the left is embarrassing. Yes, it is. In case you were wondering. In case you were asking yourself just that question. Now we're gonna do spin the wheel of chance. Will we kill ourselves with this implement? I mean, it's probably not that dangerous, but I could easily just ooze, ooze, ooze. Nah, it's not too dicey. Too dicey, baby. What else? What else? What else? This is an exclusive improvisational workout. Totally improvisational. Totally. Or why can't you just say improvised? Am I on camera? Percocet, Molly and Percocet. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's try this, buddy. Buddy boy. Let's see. Gotta try to, oops, it is. Gotta try to even out the bandage. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I try to even out the bandage over here. Oh Lord, yeah, that's pretty good. I doubled it, yeah. Double it. my bands may be too sharp, or as I prefer to say, I may be too tall. Oh, that's effing crazy. Ah! Oh wow, that's fucking. Ow, that hurts. Ow! Okay, let's try something different. I'm not strong enough. I'm not strong enough. Just one. Just one. Put it over. Like some overalls, baby. Yeah, baby. Alrighty then. Now this one's thicker. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, that's a workout in and of itself. Oh wow. Ah. Oh man. That's fucking nice. Woo! That's nice! That's nice! Don't listen with headphones. Oh Lord, that's crazy. Ooze. 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 Oh shit! Woo! 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 That's crazy. The idea is to resist. Is to improve how you cope with the forces of gravity by basically adding resistance to the essential direction of gravity, which is down. So you resist, but I guess it's important to like, I don't know, kind of have to know, or at least intuitively know, certain postural cues, you know? Like, you wouldn't want to do this with poor posture, because the idea is not just to resist gravity, it's to resist gravity, oh Lord, in a certain way. Ah! One set! No other sets, probably. The idea is to resist gravity in a certain way, in a functional way. Everyone's resisting gravity, but they're doing so, you know, with varying degrees of compression in different areas. So you know how to generally like decompress your body and find a good neutral point, then you can do that exercise right there, because then you just add resistance. You know, I tried doing it on top of my head, but honestly it gives me a headache. Crazy to think about, because you know that people often, and probably still do in many places, carry shit on their head, you know, directly on in the middle of their head, or in the middle, right on their center of gravity. So I don't know how they do it. It's amazing, because just with the band gives me a freaking headache, dude. Almost every time. I don't know why, but it is nice. It feels nice to do. This is another way to do that last one. Oos. Oos. Ah. Oos. Ah. Oos. Ah. Anyway, I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I showed you something. Maybe I didn't. Well, I know a good one. I know what I like to do right now. It's a good one. Yeah, I know I look silly. If I had the monstrous grip strength, but I don't. So it's a leverage game. The further out you go, the harder it gets, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. It's like you're picking in a big old fish, baby. Yeah. Now I could lean on my I like that one. I like that one. You know, the idea is you just do a little bit every day. And that's a little more than you would have done if you did nothing. So, yeah, it's good. Okay. Well, anyway, I don't know what else to do. I know what to do, actually. I know what to do with that big fat butt. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. This is not ideal, man, but I guess this would be better. These are heavy. Oh, yes. Hey, bro. It might be harder than it looks. Oh, I know what we want to do. For those of y'all with the pectus excavatum, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a video on just that, on just pectus excavatum, exercises, different things you can do, and the basic strategy that you use to reverse it, basically. But that was like a little snip right there. That was a little pretty big. Anyway, this is a good one right here. This is a good one. This is a good one to teach you how to teach you, well, I don't know. I guess it could teach you, but to practice, or yeah, to reinforce a good pattern of postural placement. So, you know, oftentimes people don't really know how to use their abdominals correctly to keep the pelvis neutral where it should, in the best positioning. It's gonna move. It's gonna move throughout gait, but while you're walking. But generally speaking, there's deep abdominal muscles that, if you use correctly, are going to keep your spine safe and your pelvis where you want it to be. But so that's what this exercise would be for, to add resistance to that activation of those deep abdominal muscles, to add resistance. I don't know. I guess it's a decent exercise. Let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. You really need, the thing about it is that it might not be quite, what would be better, putting a weight maybe on the back. But I really hate to go on all fours and put a weight on the back, like a plank, and put a weight on the back. I really hate to go on all fours, I'd much rather be on 2 feet. That's where you normally find us humans, So it makes more sense, but it's just the resistance. It's not great. The resistance here is not great. Like, that would be the idea. Like, the van brings you this way, but you're trying to, move out. I guess it's pretty good. Ooh! 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 So, yeah, maybe from the side would be better. Would you mind just levitating that way? No? Okay, don't worry about it. Just visualize. Here, maybe I can do it this way. See? The band wants to bring me this way, but I'm resisting this way. You know what I mean? But just a demonstration. Because really, it's supposed to be this way, man. You know what I mean? And I guess you could back up, but I'm somewhat. Oh, yes, pretty good. I might do a little oos, ass, ooh. I might do a little tug of war after this. That's what this reminds me of. Oos, oos, ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, that's pretty fucking sick, dude. Matrix shit. Woo! Woo! Ah! Ah! Dodging bullets like Neo. Yeah. But anyway, the main thing is that. So, if you can back up and definitely make sure that the thing that you're anchoring to is not gonna kill you. Is not gonna fly off. That it's firmly anchored, because that's what anchors are supposed to do. Anchor. Anyway, this is a pretty good one. Maybe, I don't know. You wanna resist? Well, I guess I should do a video. Oh, trapped wind. I need windy blast fan. I guess I should do a video, since I mentioned it before, on basic postural cues. Yeah, on basic postural cues. But it's just so basic. They're so basic, but it gives you something to work with, maybe. Oh, yeah. Why did I do that? I was going to do the tug of war. That's fun. Tug of war. Dude, having fun with your workouts is so important. Nah, man. I mean, it's important that a lot of things are important. Hey, this is tug of war. An ancient art. But we could do it with one hand and make it a contralateral exercise where the band wants to pull us, but we pull back. The band wants to pull us, and we pull back. The band wants to pull us, and we pull back. And I guess you could do it closer. I mean, or with less. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Rotation, baby. Rotation. The band wants to pull us, and we pull back. The band wants to pull us, and we pull back. So it'd be come out, and then boom, but I don't have the strength for it. But you saw it with the right hand, so just with the left. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? And I don't know, let's throw a couple more punches. So the idea there was, you know, the idea is that, no, I don't want to talk too much. I'll just throw some punches here, and you can watch. I know I'm dropping my hands, blah, blah, blah. I'm not boxing, I'm just throwing punches. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. What else? What else? You're gonna watch this 40-minute video. And you're gonna like it. If you're still here, what a champ. The champ is still here. The champ is still here. Oos. 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 I guess this is why they do the ropes. But like, I mean, unless there's resistance, I don't see how it's like, eyes, freeze, 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 freeze. I don't know. What else? What else? Bands. Bands everywhere. Bands everywhere. Force. 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 Do 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 do. Do do. 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 Gotta keep it fun. You know? Gotta keep it fun. Even when you get older. Gotta keep that shit fun. Finger failure. Left middle finger failure. Overuse injury. Oh man, dude, I got some bad heartburn. I gotta call this. Till next time.